What's up guys, this is Flo and today we're gonna talk about the C2 from WalkingPad. Let's go! The C2 is WalkingPad bestseller and we understand why, because how small and compact and high quality it is. In fact, it is so small you will be able to store it under the sofa, next to a door or wherever you want in your house. And this is life-changing compared to a regular treadmill. Its maximum speed goes up to 6 km/h, which is perfect if you want to work from home, watch movies or go for a faster walk. Its maximum capacity is 100 kg, so if you are heavier than that, you should go for the A1 Pro and you can find another video on the channel. It is super lightweight and is only 25 kg, which means regardless of your level, if you are fit or not, you will be able to move it around and set it up in no time. Plus, they build some front wheels so you don't have to carry it when moving it around. It folds and unfolds very easily without no effort. I personally love its design because it's very simple, modern and minimalist and will suit most houses. To adjust the speed, you will have two options. The first one will be to simply use the remote control, but the second one is the automatic mode. This will make your run and walk super safe because you will be able to adjust and go faster or slower based on your step on the platform. Its platform is super long, 120 centimeters, which is super comfortable for most body type, and this, if you compare to other foldable treadmill, it is super great. If I had to make a little complaint, that would be about the yellow front wheel. I would have probably prefer to have them in white or black. Regarding the noise of the device, it is a WalkingPad, so obviously it's not gonna be completely silent, but compared to the market, it is pretty great and you won't have to fight with your neighbors. Personally, and as a personal trainer, I think this type of foldable treadmill are absolutely underrated when it comes to increasing your health and feeling better. In fact, it is so much easier for most people to lose fat and lose weight with this type of device because it will allow you to not waste any time. You won't have to spend hours in the traffic or in the gym doing your 10k step every day. You will be able to set it up very easily and do all of this while watching your favorite show, while answering your email, and this is life-changing. So is the C2 the right fit for you? So I would say that if you have a small space or just do not want to waste any space and still want to build a healthy habit, start doing 10k steps more regularly and take care of your health, then this option is perfect for you. You can get this model in black, blue, yellow or white. It's completely up to you, and I personally choose white because it suits my elevated desk very well. By the way, if you are interested about the elevated desk, there is another video on the channel. I have been owning Kingsmith WalkingPad for 2 years now, and honestly, even if they come at a higher price, it is totally justified by the quality of its build and their high performances. And the good news is WalkingPad is offering us the ability to offer you a great discount, and you can find the direct link and code in the description. In the meantime, if you do have any question about this model or any other model, feel free to leave a comment and I will be more than happy to reply. I wish you a wonderful day and I see you very soon.